Students, today lecture number 5 and today's date is 24th April 2020. Now, yesterday we have discussed definition of accounting and I have given characteristics of accounting. Okay, so today we discuss characteristic of accounting one by one. So very first characteristic, that is financial characteristics. Now, before explaining this meaning of these characteristics, first we understood what is financial. So financial is what? Which is related with money, जो पैसों से जुड़ा हुआ है वो. Okay. Now, as we know, all transactions and events which are recorded in accounting must be measurable in money. यानी कि हम बिजनेस में ऐसे ट्रांजेक्शन को रिकॉर्ड करते हैं जिसको हम मनी में मेजर कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ इफ आई गिव यू एग्जांपल, सपोज वी हैव परचेज 50,000 rupees material. Okay, we have purchased 50,000 rupees of material, and the cost, the weight of this material is suppose 10,000 kg. The weight of this material is how many? 10,000 kg. So we can say if you purchase 10,000 kg material, then we have to pay 50,000 rupees. Okay, so it is what? This material is valued in terms of money. Okay, so the transactions which are recorded in accounting must be measurable in financial characteristics, means money. Okay, now when in transaction money is involved or transaction take place due to money, then those transactions are known as economic transactions, and that's why in business only economic transactions are recorded. Economic transaction means what? The transactions which are recorded in terms of money. Okay, or the transaction which involve money. Okay, तो हम accounts में ऐसे transaction record करेंगे जिसमें money का involvement है. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, दैट इज फाइनेंशियल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. यानी पहले सबसे पहले ये देखना है कि जब कोई ट्रांजैक्शन बिजनेस में होता है तो उसमें मनी का इन्वॉल्वमेंट है कि नहीं है. ओके, देन सेकंड, दैट इज मनी एज अ मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज. नाउ एज वी नो कि nowadays in business money is used as a medium of exchange, यानी कि हम पैसों के बदले गुड्स और सर्विस परचेस करते हैं और पैसों के सामने गुड्स और सर्विस सेल करते हैं. यानी विदाउट मनी वी कैन नॉट बाय एंड सेल. इट मींस फर्स्ट वी हैव प्रोडक्ट, देन वी सेल इट, देन वी रिसीव मनी, and from those money again we purchase product and service. For example, I have said first we have product, then we sell it, then we get what? Money. By using this money again we purchase what? Product and service, and again by those product and service again we receive what? Money, and again this money we product, and this cycle is going on. So money used as a medium of exchange. यानी हम बिजनेस में आज आप कोई भी चीज परचेस करने जाओ तो आप क्या देते हो? पैसा, money. Okay, coins, currency, not all plastic money. Okay, without money we cannot do transaction. So in accounting money as a medium of exchange, यानी money important है. Without money we cannot do business. Okay, that is the second characteristics of accounting. Now third one, that is classification and analysis of transactions. Now as we discuss in definition, what is classification and what is analysis. So what is classification? We classify all the transactions of business which take place according to its characteristics. यानी कि इनकम है तो इनकम के अलग, एक्सपेंस है तो एक्सपेंस के अलग, असेट्स है तो असेट्स के अलग. असेट्स में भी कौन कौन सी असेट्स है? लैंड है, बिल्डिंग है, फर्नीचर है, व्हीकल्स है, स्टॉक है. ओके, लायबिलिटीज है तो कौन कौन सी लायबिलिटीज है? क्रेडिटर्स है कि कोई लोन है कि आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस है. ओके, सो दीज ऑल ट्रांजैक्शंस आर क्लासिफाइड. Okay, now then we do analysis. What is analysis? So we do analysis of what? Suppose if you want to know what is our total purchase, okay, if you want to know during the year what is our total purchase, then we have to see all the transactions of purchase, and for this we prepare one account, that is purchase account. So from purchase account we can know total how many purchase is done during the year. So same way like purchase we can know sales, incomes, expense, assets, liabilities. Okay, that's why these characteristics also important, that is classification, analysis of transactions, so that at the end of the year we can know each incomes and expense transactions of the business, and we can take correct decisions. Okay, so this is the what third characteristics of accounting, that is classification and analysis of transaction. Okay, okay, now fourth one, that is interpretation of transaction. Now what is interpretation of transaction? So accounting is not only to record transaction in business, but we have to also interpret. Interpret means what? We have to get result out of it. So when we record transaction, so at the end of the year, what is our result? That we have to know. That is what interpretation of transaction. For example, अगर मैं आपको कोई ऐसा सिंपल एग्जांपल दूं कि जैसे ह्यूमन बॉडी में ब्लड प्रेशर कितना होता है नॉर्मल, सो 180 से 120 से 80, ओके। तो अगर किसी ह्यूमन बीइंग का ब्लड प्रेशर इसके बीच में है तो हम क्या मानते हैं? वो नॉर्मल है, वो हेल्दी है, ठीक है। इसी तरह बिजनेस में जब हम प्रॉफिट करते हैं और उसमें से एक्सपेंस माइनस करते हैं, उसके बाद जो रिजल्ट आता है उस प्रॉफिट में हम डिसाइड करते हैं कि बिजनेस कैसा चल रहा है, बिजनेस इज इकोनॉमिकली साउंड और नॉट। फॉर एग्जांपल, किसी बिजनेस में अगर 10,000 इनकम से और 8,000 क्या है? एक्सपेंस है, सो बिजनेस क्या अर्न कर रहा है? 2,000 रुपीज प्रॉफिट। इसका मीनिंग क्या है? बिजनेस प्रॉफिट अर्न कर रहा है। सो व्हाट इज दिस 2,000 रुपीज प्रॉफिट? दैट इज इंटरप्रिटेशन। हमने इंटरप्रेट किया। क्या इंटरप्रेट किया? कि बिजनेस इज मेकिंग प्रॉफिट, बिजनेस प्रॉफिट कर रहा है। लेकिन कैसे किया? ऑन द बेस ऑफ इनकम एंड एक्सपेंस ऑफ द business, on the basis of incomes and expense of the business. Now from where we get this incomes and expense? That is from accounts. That is from accounts. Okay, so in such way we have to interpret the transactions which are recorded in the business and we have to decide our result, that is our economic condition. Okay, so this is what interpretation of transaction. Now fifth one is quantitative information. Quantitative information what? Now as we discussed, accounting is related with what? Quantitative information, means it gives information in terms of figures, amount. Okay, like this, 10,000 is what? Income, that is figure. 8,000 is what? That is expense, that is also figure. And 2,000 is what? Profit, that is also figure. So account is always give quantitative information from which we can take our business decision in a correct way. Okay, so this is the fifth characteristic of accounting, that is quantitative information. Accounting will information in quantity. Okay, suppose 5 lakh rupees profit also and 5 lakh rupees is loss also, both are 5 lakhs. So we also what? Accounts will give only what? 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs is profit or 5 lakhs is loss. Okay, then economic decisions. So from accounting, businessman can take its economic decisions. Not only businessmen, but those who are using this accounting information. As we have discussed and I told you earlier, कि accounting information is not used by only businessmen, but it is also used by others like competitors, our employees, our stakeholders, है ना? Stakeholder means creditors, our shareholders, banks. Okay, these are what? Users of accounting information. They are taking their economic decision on the basis of our accounting information. For example, stakeholder or you can say future stakeholder, यानी किसी को हमारे बिजनेस में पैसा इन्वेस्ट करना है तो कैसे करेगा? ऐसे ही कर देगा? कंपनी देख के करेगा? No, they will check our profit. And how they will get profit? From the accounts. Okay, suppose our employees, when they demand for their increment, when company is making profit or company is making huge profit. Okay, then our competitors, how they can know about our profit and loss? Okay, so that they also want our accounting information. Like government also needs our information for what? For taking tax from us. So these all are what? Economic decisions. So accounting information is useful for all, for taking economic decisions. Okay, then last one is what? Historical information. Now what is historical information? So accounting is based on history. History means it is recorded on the past transaction, not future. हम future के बारे में अभी से बोल नहीं सकते कि अगले साल हमारा प्रॉफिट इतना होगा कि अगले साल हमारा सेल्स इतना होगा। हाँ, we can forecast, हम सोच सकते कि इतना हो सकता है, लेकिन हम श्योर नहीं बोल सकते कि इतना होगा ही और अभी से बुक में रिकॉर्ड कर दे। अकाउंट्स में हमेशा इंफॉर्मेशन कैसे रिकॉर्ड होती है? ऑन द बेस ऑफ पास्ट ट्रांजैक्शन एंड इवेंट्स. Okay, that's why it is called also historical information. Okay, now these all are what? Characteristics of accounting. Okay, now you have to note down these characteristics in your books. Okay, now we will discuss characteristics of accounting. Now next point, that is accounting cycle. Now what is cycle? What is cycle? So as we know, we start from this, that is recording. That is our first step. And what is the last step? That is report. After reporting, again, what is our first step? That is recording. So in this form, this cycle is going on. That is why accounting is what? Cycle. Means after completion of first process, it start from again, from that point. So here, what is the first step? That is recording. As we know, recording means transactions of recording. Now which transaction? So business transactions, or you can say economic transactions. Okay. First we will record transactions of the business. That is our first step. Second step is what? Classification. After recording, we have to classify the business transaction. Then third step is what? Analysis. We have to do analysis. Okay. Okay, what is our total expense? What is our total incomes? What is our assets? What is our liabilities? Okay. This is what? Analysis of business transaction. Then conclusion. Conclusion is what? What we have done from this recording, classification and analysis, we have to conclude about our business transaction. Then from this conclusion, we have to interpret. Interpret is what? We have to decide whether we are making profit through the top management about our business transaction, or about our business profit or loss. Then again, next step is what? Recording. So in this way, accounting is going on. So accounting is what? Cycle. Okay. So today we have discussed what? Characteristics of accounting and accounting cycle. Now tomorrow we'll discuss objectives of accounting.